Good morning everybody. So today we are here to perform the effect of substrate concentration on enzyme activity, for which we need test tubes, pipette, this is our DNase, this is our enzyme amylase, this is a starch solution which we have to make, and this is our buffer. This is the solution of starch that we already prepared according to concentration. So this is 0.5, this is 1.5, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 2.5. So we have prepared the starch concentration according to the concentration given to us in 100 ml of solution. What we need next is a spectrophotometer and water bath. Here NOH is optional because for the NOH is required to stop the reaction. We have taken 10 test tubes in which we have prepared 5 for blank and 5 for our test. So in blank we have first added starch and buffer according to their concentration. We have marked them as B1 for blank, B2, B3, B4 and B5, and for test we did the same. We have marked them according to the concentration. So in this blank we won't be adding any kind of enzyme, but for the test we'll be adding the starch, the enzyme and the buffer solution. So here we have added the starch according to their concentration, and same we did for this. We have added the starch according to their concentration. Now we'll be adding our buffer solution, which is the phosphate buffer. So as we already have taken the starch and then we have added buffer and the enzyme in it, and we have incubated it for 10 to 15 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Now we'll be adding 1 ml of DNase in each of the test tubes. Here is the DNase solution that we have taken, and we'll be adding 1 ml of DNase in each test tube, both in blank and in test. So we have added 1 ml of DNase in each of the test tubes, and now we will go for incubation at 100 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. So now we have come to the water bath. We have come for water bath, and here is the incubation. We have set it for 100 degrees Celsius. We'll be keeping the test and the blank for water bath for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, since you can see it's yellow in color, so after 10 minutes the color will change and become orange in color. So as we have now seen the color change, we have observed the color change. Now we will go for spectrophotometry analysis of this, and we will see what is the absorbance and what are the concentration. So after incubation of 10 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius, we have finally come here for our spectrophotometer analysis. Here as you can see, we have our spectrophotometer. This is a double beam spectrophotometer. So one is for the blank, another is for test, and here we have our cuvette. We'll put blank in one and test in another. We'll have test in this, and then we will measure and see the spectrophotometer and make the standard graph from it. So we have our blank sample here, and this is the cuvette. So we'll put this blank in here, whereas we'll be taking, this is our test, we'll be taking in this. So before putting the test in here, we have to set this instrument. So we have taken the blank here. So we will be putting the blank in this piece like this, and we will auto zero it. Now you can see the readings like this. Now we will auto zero it first. We'll close it. Auto zero. So auto zero is done. So So after auto 0, what we will be doing is we will place it here. So this is the test and this is the blank.